Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our tutorial on fixing your PS5 controller when it's missing parts. Today, we'll walk you through the necessary steps to diagnose and potentially repair your controller. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx T8 screwdriver, and a plastic spudger for prying open the casing. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Begin by removing the screws on the back of the controller. There are 4 screws located near the handles. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back casing. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the casing together. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws that may need to be removed. With the back casing off, you can now inspect the internal components. Look for any missing parts, such as the battery, buttons, or circuit board connections. If you find that any components are indeed missing, it's essential to identify what you need to replace. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you identify the missing parts and provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Next, let's clean the internal components. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. If you notice any sticky residue, a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab can help clean those areas. Be sure to let everything dry completely before reassembling. Now, let's address the missing parts. If you need to replace the battery, ensure you purchase a compatible one for your PS5 controller. Installing the new battery is straightforward. Simply connect it to the circuit board and secure it in place. For any missing buttons, you can often find replacement kits online. Follow the instructions provided with the kit to install the new buttons correctly. Make sure they are seated properly to avoid any issues when using the controller. Once you have replaced any missing parts, it's time to reassemble the controller. Carefully align the back casing with the front and press it together until you hear the clips snap into place. Then replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the plastic. If you're feeling uncertain at any point, remember that we offer collection and delivery at your home. This means you can send your controller to us without any hassle. No calls, no travel. We'll take care of the rest. Finally, once your controller is reassembled, test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Connect it to your PS5 and check all buttons and features. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. In summary, fixing a PS5 controller with missing parts involves careful disassembly, cleaning, and replacement of components. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can restore your controller to working order. If you need help, remember we're here to assist you with a quote before repair and a professional diagnosis without obligation. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.